So this is the jar lamp that we are going to create. This can be used as a fancy light.
Okay, so in this video we are going to create a kind of a lamp using a jar bottle. So I'm going to show the materials or the components required for it. So first we have a jar. So this is a simple jar. I've taken a bottle of Nescafe. This is a used bottle, or you can purchase something similar to it. Next we are going to need two LEDs. I have taken blue LEDs. We are going to use two of these. Next we have a coin cell. This 3-volt coin cell. I'm going to use one cell holder also for it. A button. This button I'm going to use it. This latches on pushing. Next, some wires. So we are going to use it as per the requirement. Next we need some more tools to make the connections. So which tools do we require? A cutter to create the hole in the bottle, in the jar, a soldering iron, and some solder coil, and of course a wire cutter.
We need to create one hole on the lid for the button.
So this is our button. So we need to create one hole for this button. Okay. I'm going to keep the button on one side, and it will be like a bit easier to create a button on this side. So I'll be placing this button right here. Okay. All right. So now what we need to do is we need to attach two wires to both terminals of this holder. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to connect these two LEDs in parallel. We're going to connect in parallel. So the longer leg is positive and the shorter one is negative. So we are going to solder both longer legs together. So the placement would be something like this. One of the LEDs will be placed here and the another one will be placed here. Okay, so what I have done is I've bent the legs of the LED because we need to fit these LEDs at these places. Okay, so we are going to fit it at this location. So this is the positive terminal of this LED and this is the positive terminal of this LED. We are going to, since we are connecting it in parallel, so we are going to join both legs together and in this manner. So once these LEDs are fixed, next we are going to fix the wires. So before putting this putting these button and this cell inside the lid, we need to make sure that we connect it properly. So this is my positive terminal and this is my negative terminal for the battery. So I'm going to use this positive terminal and connect it to the positive terminal of the LEDs and the negative terminal of the cell to negative terminal of the LEDs. Okay, so joints are connected. Let's try to see if the circuit is working. Okay, so everything is fixed in its place. So what I have done is I have fixed this button using the hot glue gun because it was getting difficult to hold it in place. So as you can see, the light is glowing perfectly. Okay, so now I'm going to place this cap back on the bottle. Okay, so the light is ready.
This is how the light looks in the dark. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.